black magic, or if there's any sort of supernatural activity happening in the area. It can be your house, it can be your office, it can be any other holiday home that you go to, anything. Okay, so I just thought of making this video because one of you had written to me very recently that in our house the electronics are getting spoiled, especially the phones and the television, fridge, all these kind of electronics are getting spoiled. Now this is not new to us because we do understand, we have come across so many cases in the past that in which the moment there is any supernatural activity happening in the premises in a very dangerous way, and if it's an evil spirit, or even if it's, for that matter, there is some sort of a danger around you, somebody has thrown something towards you as per the negative energy that we say. Now see, so many of you come across sites where they say it's a negative energy removal. So then you ask me, that what is the difference between negative energy removal and black magic removal? So you need to understand that black magic is also a part of negative energy, but a very, very high percentage of negative energy. Sometimes the negative energy can be very minute as well. So they call it a negative energy. So black magic and negative energy fall into the same place, but with a very, very high degree and with more complications. That's something that I can explain to each one of you in a very layman's language. Okay? Because negative energy can consist of many things. Your house can have a negative energy of maybe that you're not cleaning your house properly. That is also a form of negative energy. But when we talk about black magic, it becomes a much more dangerous and a serious issue here. Okay? Anyways, coming back to the topic, that electronics I was talking about. Now, what are the symptoms that, of course, your phones can go off suddenly. Otherwise also you can lose your phones. All that in daily life keeps on happening. But what is the difference here when I say that electronics are getting spoiled because of negative energy or black magic or any supernatural entity being in the premises? See, sometimes suddenly your phone will start ringing. Yes, it does happen. Suddenly your phone will start ringing, and when you actually switch it on, there will be nobody. It can be a network issue, but then you will start feeling very creepy that time. You will definitely have that sixth sense the moment you pick up that phone that no human has called us. It may sound very strange to few of you, okay? But trust me, this has happened. This has happened to so many of my clients where they say that in the middle of the night around 2 o'clock, 2:30, or sometimes 12:30 to 3, this is the timing, this is the typical timing in the night where they get calls and they feel that this call was not made by a human. And they told me that the body starts shivering and they start feeling creepy and their throat starts getting very dried up. They start feeling dehydrated. So these are the symptoms, and people who are actually watching this video, if any one of you has gone through this symptom, you will immediately catch this and what I'm saying. Okay? But people who haven't gone through this, please don't make fun of this, because I always say that if it's not happened with you, you're lucky, and do not disrespect these supernatural sciences because they do exist. No matter you have come across them or not, that's a different thing altogether. Consider yourself to be lucky. Secondly, your televisions. Sometimes your television starts showing things automatically. Yes, sometimes maybe the television is off, and suddenly it will get switched on automatically in the middle of the night, and it will have a distortion first, a very loud sort of distortion sometimes, and suddenly some sort of images, dark shadows will be visible on the television screen, and this is a complete indication that whichever entity is there is trying to give you a sign that I do exist here and I'm here. So the presence they want to show to all of you, whoever is the victim out there. Sometimes I have also come across cases in which your microwaves, your fridge, your kitchen fridge, your microwave, suddenly have a blast, especially your microwave. There was a case I remember in which there was a female who was baking a cake, a chocolate cake in her house, and that house belonged to a Christian, okay? And she was murdered in that house, and she was murdered in the house while she was baking a cake, okay? I'm yet to write this story in one of my books, which I keep on writing every year. I haven't mentioned this story. It's good that while talking and narrating this video, I remembered and recalled this story. I will put this story down definitely in one of my books. So this Christian lady was murdered that time when she was baking the cake, you know. And the moment anybody used to come in that house and bake any sort of chocolate cake, you know, suddenly there's to be a blast in the microwave. And this turned out to be a holiday home. Okay, and this was, I remember the place was Pondicherry in India, where this case was. This client came to me. Okay, so yes, the microwave starts, getting off and it gets blasted sometimes. Your fridge, also for that matter, you will have strange on and off sort of thing going on in front of you in your fridge as well. Okay, now this is also dangerous. But what is the most dangerous thing about electronics is that it can give you an electric shock, because there are many people who have got electric shocks because of the supernatural element being there, or evil energy being there. Okay, so if you're finding any sort of electronic goof ups in your house or offices or your premises, or suddenly your factory machines are going off. I have come across cases in which big factories, the machinery is having certain sort of a problem, which mechanically when they get it repaired also, then automatically that goes on again to a damaged state. So yes, we have come across cases. So if your house electronics, your office electronics, or your factory electronics, anything to do with electronics are giving you symptoms which I just mentioned and many more, of course you can write a mail to us and let us know, the team, especially that something similar is happening with you. Then also you must get a diagnosis done and be clear about that. Is it some sort of a black magic or is it some sort of a mechanical error, okay, or an electronic error? So that's about it. But yes, this does exist. The question of the client was that does it exist? One of you wrote to me very recently. Yes, electronics do get spoiled when supernatural activities are happening around you, or if there's any evil entity which is trying to give you the presence identification. So get in touch with us, get the case study done. I'll come with another topic next week. Till then, goodbye.